Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have new content for you to blow your mind and new tips and ideas. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updated videos in the future. At the International Intermot Motorcycle Show, Honda presented the next generation of the legendary Hornet. The design of the new CB750 incorporates some of the features of Honda's latest generation models. The Hornet's main guideline lies in the fuel tank, which is inspired by the shape of a wasp's wings. The new 755cc 8-valve parallel twin with unicam cylinder head produces a power output of 92 horsepower at 9,500 revolutions per minute and a maximum torque of 75 Nm at 7,250 revolutions per minute. The intake of air is through the vortex flow ducts system, which creates a uniform flow from the side intakes to the filter box. The cylinder liners are coated with wear-reducing nickel silicon carbide as in the CBR1000RR Fireblade. In addition, the 270° crank and irregular ignition add character to the engine, reproducing the sound of a high-performance twin-cylinder. Throttle-by-wire engine control offers 3 default riding modes, adjusting the engine's delivery and feel to suit conditions and the rider's intent. They're easily switched and managed between the left handlebar mode switch and the TFT screen. There are 3 levels of engine power: EP, engine brake, EB, and Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC), with integrated wheelie control available. Sport mode delivers maximum performance with minimum intervention. Standard is a well-balanced setting for everyday riding. Rain delivers the least aggressive power delivery, while user allows the rider to choose between the 3 settings for each parameter and save the setting for future use. The Hornet in running order will weigh 190 kilograms, which is the best power-to-weight ratio in its class. Hornet has a 5-inch TFT color display that shows vivid information and management of all systems, as well as the connectivity of the Honda smartphone voice control system for both Android and iOS devices. All lighting is LED, the turn signals cancel automatically and also include an emergency braking system, ESS. New CB750 Hornet is available in the following color options: Pearl Glare White with metallic red flame frame and anodized red forks. Graphite Black with metallic red flame frame and anodized red forks. Matte Iridium Gray Metallic. Matte Goldfinch Yellow. A complete range of original accessories will be available for the CB750 Hornet, including 3 packages: Sport, Style, and Touring, which will satisfy the needs of every rider. If you want this kind of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more coming content in the future. See you in the next video.